Have you noticed how top fashion brands are turning simple fabric scraps into high end designer pieces? Today, we're crafting a trendy Japanese style Azuma bag, a piece that's taking the fashion world by storm, perfect for selling in your shop, gifting to loved ones, or carrying as a stylish back to school tote. Welcome back, sweet friends. Sewing is pure relaxation and peace. So take a deep breath, grab your favorite drink, and let's turn these beautiful fabric scraps into magic together. I'm placing two rectangular fabrics on my table, one for the outer bag and one for the lining. Oh, and by the way, all links to the tools and materials I'm using today are down in the description below. Let's start with the cut. Don't worry, this pattern is so simple. Even a complete beginner will master it effortlessly. I'm displaying all measurements on screen in both inches and centimeters. The best part? The handles are cut right out of the main pattern piece. Seamless, elegant, and super easy. Now, we pin the main fabric and the lining right sides together. Carefully stitch along the curved top edges and handles. As you guide the fabric under the needle, just enjoy the quiet, rhythmic click of your sewing machine. It's pure therapy. Here is a tiny professional secret for a flawless finish. Before turning your work right side out, make small notches along the seam allowance curves, stopping about 1/16 of an inch, 1 millimeter, before the stitch line. This prevents the fabric from puckering and keeps your rounded edges buttery smooth. Turn everything right side out. Press it flat with a hot iron and add a clean top stitch along the finished edge. If you're loving this relaxing sewing process, make sure to check out my playlist link in the description box for dozens of easy beginner-friendly projects. Now, fold the bag so lining meets lining and outer meets outer. Stitch along the side seams, leaving the bottom of both pieces open for now. Shift the side seams to the center and match up the seams face to face. Stitch across the bottom of the main bag and the lining. Just remember to leave a small opening in the lining so we can turn the bag right side out in the next step. Pull the whole bag through that small opening, press it gently, and stitch the opening closed. Look at how seamlessly it's coming together. Time for the final touches. Give everything a nice press with the iron. We'll narrow the handles by folding the edges inward and securing them with a clean line of stitching for a comfortable, durable grip. To finish it off, let's attach snap buttons for a secure closure. You can also reinforce your fabric with iron-on interfacing if you prefer extra structure. And there you have it, a chic, eco-friendly Japanese tote bag that's versatile, cozy, and right on trend. I hope this project brings joy to your hands and your heart. If you enjoyed sewing with me today, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe for more peaceful sewing inspiration. Wishing you endless creativity and happy sewing. See you next time.